But I'm a little disappointed that, given that we have a nearly $1 trillion budget for the Pentagon, that nobody knows what these things are. Now I'm worried. But
breaking news. Mysterious drones have been spotted flying over New Jersey and the East Coast, sparking widespread speculation and concern. These sightings aren't just random. They've been reported near critical infrastructure, military bases, and even President-elect Donald Trump's golf course. Adding to the intrigue, insider claims suggest these drones might be part of a $1 trillion Pentagon project, potentially tied to the rumored Project Bluebeam. In this video, we'll explore the timeline of these sightings, the investigations underway, and the fascinating theories behind what these drones could mean.
What is that, Mom? What? Ma, you see this? No.
When you see things that are happening in Syria and Ukraine, and you see drones that are over there that are dropping things, you understand that the people want to know what's going on.
The mysterious drone phenomenon began in mid-November 2024, with initial reports in New Jersey near landmarks, such as the Raritan River and Round Valley Reservoir. These drones were described as large, silent, and highly advanced, capable of operating with lights off and evading radar detection. As sightings grew, they expanded across New Jersey and neighboring states, with clusters reported near military bases like Picatinny Arsenal and Naval Weapons Station Earl, areas known for their restricted airspace. The sheer scale of the sightings quickly captured public attention. By early December, drones were reported in New York, Pennsylvania, and Massachusetts, even leading to a temporary shutdown of Stewart International Airport. In urban areas like Staten Island and the Bronx, residents described clusters of drones flying in coordinated patterns. Their proximity to sensitive infrastructure suggested a level of organization beyond recreational use. Adding to the intrigue were reports of advanced behavior. These drones could evade detection, disappear when approached, and hover silently for extended periods. Witnesses noted their ability to operate in ways typical hobbyist or commercial drones cannot. Such capabilities raised questions about their origin and purpose, particularly as they appeared repeatedly over high-security areas. This timeline, coupled with their advanced capabilities, has fueled speculation about a possible connection to the Pentagon's rumored $1 trillion initiative. Some have linked these sightings to Project Bluebeam, a controversial theory suggesting the government might simulate celestial phenomena or extraterrestrial events. Whether these drones are part of a covert operation or an experimental program, their behavior and locations suggest something far from ordinary. Federal investigations have been launched to uncover the truth behind these drones, but so far, definitive answers are scarce. The FBI, Department of Homeland Security, DHS, and FAA have collectively stated that the drones pose no immediate threat to public safety. However, their origins remain a mystery, further fueling public concern. Initial assessments by the Pentagon ruled out foreign involvement, with officials confirming that the drones are not tied to adversaries like China or Iran. According to Pentagon spokesperson Major General Pat Ryder, the drone's advanced capabilities exceed what is typically available to private operators, but don't appear linked to foreign espionage. This has led to speculation that they may be part of classified military exercises or experimental defense systems. Several lawmakers have voiced their concerns. Congressman Jeff Van Drew of New Jersey suggested the possibility of drones launched from a covert vessel stationed off the East Coast, though federal agencies have dismissed this claim. Meanwhile, New York Governor Kathy Hochul and New Jersey Governor Phil Murphy have called for increased federal resources to investigate the matter, emphasizing the need for advanced drone detection systems like the Robin radar, which can trace drones back to their operators. Despite these efforts, The lack of transparency from federal agencies has left many unanswered questions. If these drones are part of a classified government project, ethical concerns arise about public safety and accountability. The inclusion of ominous statements from insiders, such as Trump's "coming days will not be good," only deepens the mystery and raises the stakes. Authorities are also struggling to regulate the airspace effectively. While the FAA enforces strict laws on drone usage, such regulations are difficult to apply to advanced, unidentified operations. Even with tools like the Robin radar system, authorities have yet to identify who is behind these sightings, leaving room for further speculation. Theories about these mysterious drones range from plausible possibilities to speculative ideas. Some suggest they are part of a classified Pentagon project, testing advanced surveillance or defense systems, while others link them to the controversial conspiracy theory known as Project Bluebeam. Project Bluebeam, introduced in the 1990s by Canadian journalist Serge Monast, suggests governments or global organizations might use advanced technology to manipulate public perception on a massive scale. This could involve projecting holographic simulations of events like alien invasions or divine appearances to create fear or unity under a single world government. Proponents believe these tactics could justify drastic measures, such as tighter government control or martial law. The drones, with their advanced capabilities, could theoretically play a role in such operations, either by projecting illusions or being part of the phenomena themselves. While experts generally dismiss the theory as implausible, the drone's ability to operate silently, evade detection, and appear in restricted airspace has reignited speculation. Some believe these drones could be early tests for a larger program like Project Bluebeam. Their sophistication suggests access to cutting-edge technology far beyond hobbyist or commercial drones. If linked to such a program, the sightings might be testing public reactions to unexplained aerial activity or preparing for operations involving mass psychological manipulation. The lack of transparency from authorities only deepens the mystery, allowing such theories to flourish. These drones are not the first unexplained aerial phenomena to raise concerns. For instance, U.S. Navy pilots reported encountering unidentified aerial phenomena, UAPs, between 2019 and 2021, capable of extraordinary speeds and maneuvers. Initially speculated to be extraterrestrial, these sightings were later linked to advanced, secretive technology, possibly from foreign nations or the U.S. itself. Similarly, the drones over New Jersey might be testing classified technology and gauging defense responses. A similar incident occurred in Colorado and Nebraska in 2019 to 2020, where large drones flew nightly in coordinated grid patterns. Despite extensive investigations, their origin was never determined. Like the New Jersey sightings, they raise concerns about airspace security and unauthorized surveillance. These events show how advanced aerial technology often sparks fear, speculation, and calls for stricter oversight. Beyond Project Bluebeam, another plausible explanation is that private contractors or tech companies might be conducting unauthorized tests. While drones are widely used in industries like agriculture and delivery, their operation in restricted zones raises significant regulatory questions. If private entities are responsible, this highlights gaps in drone management and enforcement. For watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more explorations of fascinating topics.